Molweni Sanwanani. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple summer look. The steps are going to be easy to follow. It's definitely a video that beginners can follow through, and I'm sure that you're going to love the end result. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to apply my primer, and it is from NYX. It is the Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, and I just used my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fit Me from Maybelline, and I'm mixing these two. So what I love about this foundation is that even though it's matte, it's very lightweight, and I think it's perfect for summer. So we all know it gets really hot in these streets, so you definitely want a foundation that's going to be able to, handle the heat. Also, it doesn't feel like you're wearing something on your face, a mask of some sort. So this foundation, I feel, is perfect for our summer weather. And as you'll see, I'm going to put a very light layer on, just so my skin can still show, I'm going to apply my Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 30, and then I'm going to set that with my Face Studio setting powder from Maybelline as well. For blush, I'm going to be using my MAC Sheer Tone blush, and this is in Lovejoy. This is a very subtle blush, and I think it's perfect for the summer because you don't want to be doing too much. To contour and also for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to use this color to contour. So you can use various products for different things, like you can use blush as an eyeshadow, you can use eyeshadow to contour, to highlight. So for my eyeshadow, I was thinking of like beautiful pinks and oranges. That's the colors that come to mind when I think of summer. And I'm just going to use one shade. So I'm going to take this pink, this dark pink shade right here, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And that is it. That's all that we're doing to the eyes. And now for lashes, I'm going to be using my Jordan Woods lashes from Ilo. And these lashes again are lightweight, perfect for summer. So obviously this look is not a very dramatic look. We're just doing something very simple, but you can see that, you know, you have a face beat going on. Lashes are on, and now for mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline Total Temptation, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower lashes. For highlights, I'm going to use my MAC pigment, and this is in Rose. For lips, I'm going to use my Connie Transform Gloss, and this is in the color Juanita. And now for some setting spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and that the steps are really easy to follow. Let me know down in the comments section if you guys would actually recreate this look. I am in love with it. It's beautiful, it's simple, and it's perfect for the summer. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Kim and Tevin. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the red button down below that says subscribe. Also click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video. Please like this video, share it with your friends and your family. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. So let's end this here off with a bang, people. I love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as you make up.